how to withdraw money from Fiverr. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will show you how you guys can quickly withdraw your money from Fiverr. Simply open up Fiverr on your computer or your phone, click on your profile, and then after that you guys are going to see all of these options. Now from over here, click on profile, and that's going to take you guys over to your profile. Now as soon as you guys come over here, now you guys can see basically everything that you've ever done. So come back, and now from over here, what I want you guys to do is that I want you guys to just simply click on become a seller. Now once you guys click on become a seller, after that you guys will have to become a seller. Now once you guys become a seller, I'll catch you guys in 1 second. So now what I want you guys to do is that I want you guys to click on switch to selling. Now from over here, click on earnings. Now as soon as you guys click on earnings, that's gonna take you guys over to another page. Now when you guys are on this page, now from over here, simply click on bank transfer, or choose PayPal account, or choose Fiverr revenue card if you have one. When you guys click on bank transfer, that's gonna ask you if you guys want to withdraw your money or not. Simply click on confirm and withdraw, and your money is gonna be withdrawn. So that is how you guys can withdraw money from your Fiverr account quickly in just a few seconds. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.